Good morning, sweetie. We're in the woods now!
How the fuck what do you mean woods?
So we went to your house last night. Your mom said it was okay because we found the hidden key and we talked to her. And then we borrowed you, brought you out here, and...
Now we're in the woods!
And we're lost. So now we need to find our way out of the woods.
Fucking god.
Okay, so we've now been lost for roughly about an hour. Niko already had to take his morning shit. And he had to use one of our hands to wipe. I'm not going to say which, but I am going to say Tyler's got some smelly fingers. And the problem is that right now we're realizing that it's getting kind of cold out. It's getting kind of late, and we really need to find some structure because we have nowhere to take comfort.
It's first rule of survival. I think I see something over there, actually, though.
Okay, so this is the structure that Tyler found. Niko's looking to see if we can find anything useful, and Tyler's outside inspecting the exterior.
Damn. Hey, you got a CDL to drive that trailer on?
Wait, Tyler, why are you on the roof?
Just looking at the wagon.
What wagon?
Guys, I found a bag.
Oh, Niko found a bag! Okay, so we're trying to see what is in Niko's special bag that he found of mysteries. And so go on ahead, Niko. Let's see what you got.
I swear this better be a survival kit or something. Oh, dude, a knife. Okay, see? Okay.
We found a knife. That's good. That'll help.
It might be a survival kit.
We could stab Tyler if he turns against us.
Need him.
And eat him. We get hungry.
Okay, so fireworks. That's
to insert into Tyler.
Useful. Unless we get a real good time.
Yeah. You find anything else in there, Niko?
Paintball gun.
Oh shit!
That's a little less useful.
We can go hunting.
Yeah. I don't think it'll kill anything. That
we can stun them and then stab them.
it might be a crime to hurt animals in that way.
There's no crimes in nature.
We got an
oh shit!
extra large tech deck.
Oh shit! Man, too bad I gotta need my little tech deck ramps.
I'm gonna have to do a few more finger push-ups.
Ooh.
If I'm gonna be able to use this thing efficiently. The drone.
Ooh, that's gonna be useful.
You can use this to scout ahead and find a way out.
Yeah, and we can also use it to catalog our adventure.
How'd you get in there?
Oh, Tyler was in the bag. That's where he went.
In there? You've been gone for hours.
Yeah, I know.
Wait, what's
did he fall off the roof into the bag?
Wait, what's the? Oh.
Oh no, Tyler put that in there.
I wasn't in there earlier.
Shut up. Don't talk about it. I got lonely.
All right. Okay, I think it's enough for the survival kit.
Look, we don't have any food. We don't have any water. We really do need to find a way out of here. And also, we do not remember how we got in here.
Yeah, I don't think we want to start eating each other anytime soon.
I saw a mouse scurry over there, so we could probably go eat that if we need to, but I'd prefer to have, like, I don't know, KFC.
Yeah, KFC.
Yeah, KFC.
Yeah.
I'm not opposed to eating anyone, though. Oh shit, we gave Tyler the knife.
Anyway, I think we should really try to get out of here.
There is a slight problem, though. We're kind of blocked in.
Where we blocked?
Oh,
yeah.
shit.
We should probably move the Jeep.
Oh, yeah, we gotta move the Jeep so that we can get out. You're right.
How'd that get there? Whatever. You know?
I don't know. You know, whatever.
Actually, wait a second. I think I have the keys.
Oh, you have the keys.
No.
They're actually in it.
Oh, they're in it. Okay, can you move it out so we can get out?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Okay, we're gonna continue our adventure now.
Yeah, let me move it out.
Oh yeah, here, Tyler's gonna move it out real quick. Exactly the same. They're just like, you ever played Minecraft? All the same. All trees are exactly the same. Wait a second, where's Tyler?
Guys, I have an idea!
What?
We can fuck!
What?
Yeah, I guess it's time. We should just do it here.
Tyler, why do you recommend this every time we do something?
Listen, I read the book It by Stephen King, and they fucked to get out of the sewers.
Oh, you know, it only works when you're kids. No, but see, he recommends this every time, but it hasn't worked yet. So I'm saying that it's got to work at least once. I don't see any clowns. Well, we're about to find some. Okay, let's get this started. Niko, you have no choice in the matter. Stop crying. Niko, stop crying. You're gonna make this more awkward. Niko, you're making this worse.
I'm not going out. You guys literally can't.
Niko, you're making this worse. You're making it more awkward. Niko, the more you cry, the worse it gets.